Hey, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to our channel. I hope that you're doing fine, and I hope that this video does find you in absolute good health, and I hope that you're going to like this specific video. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to address for the long-term supporters of Raila Odinga and his presidential bids over a very wide period of time. Most of us, most of us who like politics, at some point, get too much in love to certain politicians to an extent that we don't see the unfolding of events. To an extent, if somebody came out and told you that candidate A, who you are supporting, is losing popularity or is not going to make this happen, then you feel that that is not right, and even you can get emotional. But the reality of politics as things stand today, and this in regard to the Raila Odinga supporters, is that Raila Odinga is losing popularity, and the reason behind it is that the coming into agreement through a memorandum of agreement with government, which a lot of people believed that was not doing the right thing. Raila Odinga has come out to explain this several times, but a lot of Kenyans don't see it like he is talking about it. And if you ask me today, I'll tell you that Raila Odinga has already lost the KISII region. If you saw when Matiang'i came, the entire KISII region rallied behind Matiang'i. Matiang'i was even unable to address people at the CBD of KISII because of the turnout that forced them to go to the stadium. KISII is already gone. If you have a KISII friend, you have a KISII politician, you saw the governor from KISII, the governor from Nyamira, Matiang'i has already taken a part of Nyanza region, which controls about 35% of the votes of Raila Odinga from the Nyanza region, because KISII, at long last, for a very long time, they have been supporting the bid of Raila Odinga. They have even been producing ODM members of parliament. The governor in the KISII county is a governor elected under the ODM party ticket. But that one is already gone and is not going to stand that chance in 2027. And the reason behind it is because of Raila Odinga's arrangements with the government. Another region that Raila Odinga has already lost is the Ukambani region. Kalonzo Musyoka is also another person for a very long time has supported Raila Odinga. But as we talk today, you saw that Kalonzo is already working with the opposition. And he is one of the most likely person to get that presidential ticket from the opposition side. So the campaign votes, which most of us believe are 2 million, because of the fact that there are a lot of campus outside the Ukambani counties. Campus are everywhere in Nairobi, in Coast. We combine those votes and say the campus are 2 million. If those are the votes that Raila Odinga has been enjoying, he's already lost. Raila has lost about 500,000 votes from the KISII Nyamira region. Raila is going to lose the support base of the Ukambani region. You see what is happening in the Western region right now. Peter Salasya, as much as young he is, for the last 2 weeks, he's been working county to county, decampaigning the ODM party, which actually led to the beating, or is being beaten in the FC Leopard and Gor Mahia match. That was because of his attacks to Raila Odinga, and he even proceeded to decampaign the ODM party, and he's been telling the people of the Western region that they are going to vote for the first time in one basket, and they are not going to support the ODM party. If you go to Western also, Raila Odinga has been enjoying the Western support base for a very long time. Even when things are being discussed on the table, it's believed that Raila Odinga negotiates for Western, negotiates for KISII region, because he's the kingpin of these regions. But as things stand today, ukiuliza Gen Z wa KISII, it won't consider Raila. You go to Western and ask Gen Zs, the youths of our Western region, Raila Odinga, they don't have Raila Odinga in art like when Raila Odinga was opposition, the opposition that we knew of Raila Odinga. Even if it meant that Raila Odinga was going to support this broad-based government, the move was so early. Angengoja tu Raila Odinga could have waited a little bit, be in opposition, consolidate the Nyanza votes, that's the Luo Nyanza region, consolidate the Western vote, keep KISII intact, keep a lot of Nairobi supporters who are unanimous intact, and ngoja mpaka 2027 like he did for Kibaki. when it's about a month or 2 months to election, come out and say that now because of this and this, and if I stand, maybe I won't win, or we are going to divide the votes. We have agreed to work with the President Ruto, and this is how we are going to work. At least you won't lose your support base as it is right now. By 2027, if this is going to be the case, by 2027 ODM itakuwa imegawanyika. You see right now Sifuna is pulling the other side. Babu Wino is not even talking about. He's on this side. Orengo, the Siaya governor, where Raila Odinga comes from, he's come out to say that there is no possibility of him supporting President Ruto. And a lot of division is going to happen in ODM. You saw Gladys Wanga also come out to say that Nyanza region is a ODM stronghold. They don't want to hear anything about UDA. And they even mentioned an event where President Ruto was attending, and Raila Odinga, and people were shouting UDA. And Gladys Wanga, being the national chairman of ODM, came out to say that he doesn't want to hear anything of people shouting UDA in the presence of Raila Odinga, in the stronghold of where ODM party is very popular and enjoys support. So before 2027, remember we're 2025, we have the entire of 2026. Who will be supporting ODM party? Who will be supporting the popularity of Raila Odinga? If Raila Odinga is going to still be perceived to be working with government. Luo Nyanza, even I think Raila Odinga is going to find himself in a scenario where it's only Luo Nyanza, because where it's his own back, that is really seriously supporting his bid. Otherwise, kura zitatoka wapi? Western imeenda, Kisii imeenda, Ukambani imeenda. I don't know about the coast, but these are the 3 serious support bases of Raila Odinga other than the Luo Nyanza. Na pia they have already gone. Should Raila be smart as he is? As Raila Odinga is a very smart politician, the best thing to do is to pull out of government. Withdraw your experts from government, call them back, consolidate your support bases. Tulia. You'll make that ultimate decision of where to support. If you're going to run in 2027, if you're going to support Ruto, if you're going to support whoever candidate, that one is more result-oriented when it's closer to election. But as things stand right now, to the supporters of ODM, you can tell me if you're a supporter of ODM party, if you have been supporting Raila Odinga, if you have been supporting the opposition. As we speak today, who are the opposition? Is Raila Odinga the opposition, or is Rigathi and the likes of Kalonzo, Martha Karua, Raila Matiang'i now the opposition? Do you still support Raila Odinga, even as they are working with government? Do you? That's but only my very honest opinion about the popularity of Raila Odinga and how things stand as it is today. And that's why Raila Odinga for a very good number of times has come out to explain, trying to explain to his supporters that I am not in government. It's government that reached out to me. I don't reach out to government. But Kenyans don't understand that language. Wakenya si watu wenye unaambia language venye how things are working. Wakenya, they perceive the things the way they see them. And if Raila Odinga, and if this continues, then the position that Raila Odinga has been enjoying, where he's been rallying a good support basis, is going to shift from him to either Rigathi Gachagua. If Rigathi Gachagua is going to form a party, atakuwa na members of parliament Mount Kenya region, atakuwa na governors Mount Kenya region, is extending to the Masai regions, he's going to have members of parliament the Masai regions, is extending to KISII now because of the partnership with Matiang'i. The people of the KISII now are going to even support Rigathi Gachagua or Kalonzo Musyoka more than they have been supporting Raila Odinga, because that's where their son, who they have blessed, is working with. And then, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you for today. You can tell me what you think about this information in the comment section and take my more time to read and give you a response. Have a nice day and stay safe whenever you are.